Coleman Powermate, 5,000 watts. Not sure really too much about this other than it's been sitting for a couple years. I don't know if there's gas in it. If there is, it's probably not good. Oh yeah, so it's bone dry in there. Change the oil and get some fresh gas in it. Hopefully we're good. So you can check the oil down here. It looks like it's about the right level, but really dirty. All right, it looks like we're full, so. All right, let's try to run it. Oh, there we go. Strength to pull this thing. Get popped up. So this hasn't been started in years. Let's clean the carburetor. There's that. I'll take this. Oh, that clamp is actually broken. Just rusted off. There we go. Let's go clean this, blow it out, and see if we get any good results. See if it'll all fit. Yeah, there you go. Important stuff fits. All right, we'll come back in 30. Okay. Let's put her back together. Okay. Got her cleaned up. I'm ready to get plugged back in. Wrench. Got our broken fuel line clamp, so I just got a new one here. Couldn't get it to run strong. Let's try cleaning this off. Okay, let's try that. Seemed to help. Okay, so you heard that going on the generator. Now let's compare it to when I plug it in hardwired. To now. Okay. So for some reason we're not getting full power. So yeah, on our voltage, we're only getting 80 something, so definitely not running right. Got a new spark plug. So we might just need to adjust the, it doesn't sound like it's running fully. Okay, so that was a pretty easy fix on this guy. We just cleaned it up a little bit, put some good fuel in it, changed the spark plug out, changed the oil, and just adjusted that. Adjusted that throttle adjustment. It's attached to that spring. When you tighten this, it pulls that spring tighter and pulls this link here to the left tighter, which opens that throttle up. Right now that throttle there is in full open position, so it's going to be bouncing back and forth like that. So we wanted it just to stay farther left like that, which is what we did. And that raised our voltage up seemingly. I'm no electrician, but it was around 80 something volts before. Then I put through that throttle up and it got us to 120, so that's what it should be. And the chop saw works now at seemingly full power. So I watched some videos. Some people are really taking these things apart and making them run flawlessly, and that's pretty cool actually. But that ain't this channel, not right now at least. We don't need that. I mean, just need a generator that's running. So $20, $30, whatever I paid for this thing. And I think these are probably several $100s at least. So cool. So let's go fix the next thing. I got a chainsaw and I got a power washer in here. Let's work on one of them. All right, peace.